singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
And welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry again that my July BoxyCharm box review is late. I'm actually going to go into detail as to why I have not been uploading in the past couple weeks or so. As you can see, this is not my usual room. I actually did move. During this time apart, I actually did go to see my boyfriend in Texas. I dislocated my knee. A lot has happened. Anywho, if you want to see me review the items in my BoxyCharm box, then keep on watching. Alright, for starters, we have the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage. It's supposed to be an eye depuffing gel, so I am going to try this through the course of the week and let you guys know what I think. Next up, my personal favorite from the box, Crown Pro palette. I believe it's called Fuego Heat. The pan size is really good. I really love the colors and the color scheme going on. So I will be trying this on and giving you guys a review on this later. Alright, from the note we have a cute little blush and a little compact with a decent mirror. I will not be using this item because I do have something very similar to it. So I will be giving this away in a giveaway. Alright, from Cella we have a tantalizing eyebrow cream. I will also be giving this item away, so if you want to see the items that will be featured in today's video for the giveaway, then keep on watching. The last item we have today is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. I will be trying this item because I am a little bit curious to see how it looks. So, if you want to see me put on the palette and mascara, then keep on watching.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, 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 oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, like a drop. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, 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 oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh.
Here we have the finished look. I'm going to go ahead and say that the Crown palette exceeded my expectation. The pigmentation was great. Not a lot of fallout. Definitely love the scheme, the color scheme of the palette. I went in with the Wonder Beauty mascara. It didn't do much in the sense of lifting, but it did individually coat my lashes, which I do like. So here's the finished look again. If you like my look, then comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will be announcing what I'm putting in my giveaway.
Me right way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life.